Okay guys, welcome to my other tutorial. Like the first tutorial for so long. Yeah, so tonight we'll be doing Sgubhu, drum. Yeah, just a simple beat from scratch. So first thing, before you start making your beat, you take all your samples, put them in a mixer, and then each and every sample you add a parametric like this. Then you put a high pass, so that everything can sound better. Everything can sound better, Yeah, and then just like that, guys. All the samples, don't even skip one. If you see me skipping any, just know that I've already done it. But then you don't skip any, do all of them. That's where you can know that now your beat is good. Every sample must have it, guys. Every sample. Then step 2, the volume of the end lead and the ISO. Then you start laying out. Start with them like this. This one lies on F2 and F3. Guys, there's no bass. It is now clean. Then this one from 3, 4, and 5. Clean. Second step, in fact the third step, the kick. Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Just like that. Just like that. No, I kinda don't like the kick. Let me change it fast. I need the kick. No, wrong one. This one. Even if you change the sample, it doesn't change the settings. Still the same. Parametric is still there. It will be like clean, guys. Don't take your time. Then do this. So if you want to reduce the volume from inside, reduce it here. See, it doesn't ruin your beat. The beat is still so like they don't match properly. So this one you can reduce the high pass like this. See, it's not that difficult, guys. Just have to know how you want your sound to be like. Simple. Then that step is the effect, the simplest part. Now I have to expose my trick. Okay, come here to the FX mixer, open a cross beat, change here. Don't use the original setting. Use the repeater, then choose the gate here. Then reduce the repeat, then reduce it out. Yeah, then you come here to the tom like this, and then you press Alt U. Simple. Alt U. Then wait, let me check. Yeah. Choose the high pass. Then before you play, before you get excited, this one, you follow this root keys. So the root key is F. So from F, you go up like this. F, then you jump 1, 2, then you place it on the third one. It can't be that difficult. Then from this one, jump 1, 2, 3, you place it on the fourth one. It's like you jump 2, jump 3, jump 2, jump 3, just like that. Then it sounds like. So it can't be that difficult, guys. No. I'm trying to keep this as short as possible. Now you place the tom like this. No. To keep it that like a heartbeat, so that it sounds dope. This one becomes like at the end of the day they must mix, guys. Get what I mean? That's the idea. And you come here, you can copy this one if you're lazy to, then just add the little ornament. It can't be that difficult. No, you had that snare as high. Got the high pass, you reduce it a little bit, then you run it. I'm trying to keep this as short as possible. Now you lay something like your melody. You play within this range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will sound dope. Let's play like this. Then no, it can't be that difficult. No, like this. And then now let's change this one. Let's bring it down here. No, guys, I'm not trying to make something that, a banger, man. Just trying to make it simple and smooth. So now we come to the bass line. No, I don't know how to lay out. I will try. Okay, let me just try this one. Okay. fun. Okay. Guys, I'm out of ideas, but then I'm trying. Okay, seems like I'm coming Yo, it took me time to think of that. Yo, then yeah, now let me on everything, and here are the final results. 8, 9, okay.